Hello, today I want to show you how to upgrade the RAM for Lenovo B570e. So there's a good upgrade compartment on the back of this laptop, which makes upgrading things like a RAM and hard disk super easy. So all you need to do is open it up like this. I have already unscrewed these parts. I have loosened these screws for this compartment and I remove it. And then this section is for the RAM. Some models have 2 slots for the RAM, some have only 1. This model only has 1 slot of the RAM, so you press this latch from one side or from both sides. It's good to press it from both sides. One hand is holding the camera, so I can't use both hands. So remove it, remove the old RAM, put it aside, and then I'm gonna install this RAM. This RAM, 4 GB team group, and it's DDR3 100 1333 megahertz or 1333 megahertz. So this RAM should technically be compatible with this laptop, and I'm gonna install it. Let me use both hands. Okay, I remove it from the package. This is new, so it also has a manual inside the pack, so it's pretty nice. Let's take a look at it, although I don't think we need any special instructions for installing it. There are several languages, English especially, and some instructions about installation. You may return the defective module. You must include product identification. This is about the warranty, I think. Okay, nothing special. Let's install it. So I'm gonna match the wedge inside the RAM edges with the special position on this location so that it matches the hole and fits there like this. And then with a small look, first you have to press it all the way inside so that it goes to its place. Okay, you see, all those copper parts are hidden because they all were inserted inside, and now I apply a pressure. Okay, it's firmly in position now. Okay, before I put the cover back on, I'm gonna turn the laptop and check if it is working. So be careful not to apply too much pressure because the RAM might come out. All right. I open the laptop and turn it on. Let's go to BIOS with F2. Okay, I was too late to press F2. So we go inside Windows and check it there. Let's see if it is faster. The loading seems to be a little bit faster, but we have to wait until the boot is completed. The fact that the computer is turning on means that the RAM is working, but we need to make sure that all the RAM size is recognized, all 4 gigabytes. So I'm gonna enter the password. The computer is not that fast because it's using a normal HDD disk. If it was using SSD, we would expect it to be faster. But the program's loading should become faster after installing this RAM anyways. So let's check the computer information. See this PC, right click on this PC and check the properties to see if we now have 4 gigabytes of RAM. Properties. Yes, that's amazing. 4 gigabytes of RAM and everything is okay and fine. But let's check out the program's loading. The start menu has become faster, which makes me hopeful that this is gonna work. If it doesn't, I'm probably going to install Windows 11 Lite. But I like the loading. It has become much faster than before. So that's it, guys. That's how you install and upgrade the RAM for B570 Lenovo B570e, this model. And that's it. All you need to do is make sure that the RAM that you purchase matches in its megahertz with the RAM that is already installed or the RAM in the manual. So the best way is to check the manual for this computer and see what models and what speeds of RAM are supported by this laptop. So I hope that you enjoyed this and found it useful. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more informational videos, and take care.